Hey, we're going to replace the seal on a Mansfield toilet, the flush valve seal. This is a model 160, but many of them use the same style flush valve. First thing we want to do is shut the water off. Then flush the toilet. Hold that handle down, get it all out. All right. Remove the hose from the overflow cap. Unscrew the cap. Set it to the side. Then we're going to raise up on the flush valve. The lever will follow. We're going to slide it off and set it off to the side. You don't have to take the float ball out, but it does make it easier and it'll let you see better what I'm doing. So I'll unscrew this from the blue cap. Okay, and there's our seal. We want to pull it out, and then you see how it comes right off. Now if we look at this seal, you can see how it's bowed up, and it should be perfectly flat. It happens over time, and if you use chemicals it happens even faster. But this is what makes it hard to flush, is when this keeps sagging down and the valve sits over it too far. So we get our new seal. It's important that you use a genuine Mansfield seal. There are copies out there, but the copies are not made of the same material. Most of them are made of a silicone rubber, which is even stickier and makes it harder to flush. You may notice they made them wider. But it goes, there's two grooves here. It has to go in the very top groove. And we stretch it around. And once we got it in there, I'm going to wiggle back and forth here a little. Get it worked in. Yep. There we go. Once it's in, you'll be able to pinch and turn it in its slot. Now with our seal in, we can take the top part of our flush valve, back over the lever, back on, screw on our stop cap, put our hose in. Yep, before I turn the water on, I better put that float ball in. That would have been messy. All together. Now let's turn the water on. All done. No leaks.